Today we are learning the front half. The front half is the easiest way to start adding twists to your front flip and the part where a lot of people give up and get stuck. Therefore, in this video, I'm gonna show you exactly what you need to do to learn a front half, but make sure to stay until the end of the video because only in the end I will tell you the secret tip that helped me learning my front half. By the way, my name is Chris and it took me forever to learn the front half. Now I mastered it and I think I cracked the code on how to learn it. And this is what I'm gonna show you now. Quick side note. Please stop the video if you can't do a front flip yet. You need to be able to do a front flip in order to learn the front half. So if you can't do a front flip yet, pause. Go watch my front flip tutorial and only come back to this video once you can do a front flip. Alright, as you are still here, I assume that you already can do a controlled front flip. So let's start with the front half. Before we can even think about adding a twist to our front flip, we need to know in which direction we twist. Therefore, just throw your arms to your side and do a horizontal twist. And you will see that one side feels more natural to you and looks better. This is your twisting side. For me, that's my left side. And to be honest, I can only do a front half to my left side. So yeah, if you wanna see me trying the front half to my left side, I don't know, maybe I can live stream it and try to learn it in a live stream. Let me know down in the comments what you think about this. So yeah, I will show you everything today to my left side. If you twist to your right side, just mirror everything that I do. Anyway, the front half. Let me show you now how you can learn the front half in 3 steps. Number 1. Lay down on your back like this and you want to get in this position because this is the moment when you start with your twist. So I want you now to kick the legs forward. This will be the first step towards the twist. Practice this exercise a couple of times and now let's move on to number 2. For number 2, I want you to do the same exercise, but now, in the moment, you kick your legs forward. You want to twist with your hip. Therefore, you need to push the right side of your hip up and pull the left side of your hip back. Additionally, squeeze your left side of your core muscles because this will just make the twist easier. Let's have a look at it. This is exactly what you need to do in your front flip. And that's it. That's all you need to do for your front half. There's no other secret magic behind the front half. Just apply those 2 exercises in your front flip and you'll have the front half. And for number 3, this is exactly what you're going to do right now. So, do a front flip and once you're in this position, kick your legs forward and do the half twist. And congratulations, you got your first front half. Alright, let's sum up the 3 steps that you need to do. Number 1, lay on your back and kick your legs forward. Number 2, kick your legs forward and twist your hip. And number 3, do the same, but in the front flip. Okay, now I will show you the secret tip that can make your front half 10 times easier. Are you ready? Your head position. Like at the back half, your head position can either make or break your front half. But at the front half, we want to look in our twisting direction. For me, this means I want to look and twist my head to my left side, but only once I started the twist with my body. Please don't start to twist your head earlier because you will just lose control and awareness and might hurt yourself. Only twist your head once your body starts to twist. And you only do this because it just makes the twist a bit easier and it allows us to spot the trampoline, which helps us with our air awareness. Try it out, it works. All right, that's everything I have for you today. And now it's on you to take action, because you won't learn your front half by just watching this tutorial. Go outside and practice. You got this. By the way, if you got any questions, just ask them down in the comments or send me a DM on X, Instagram or TikTok. The links are all down in the description. This was my front half tutorial and I will see you in the next tutorial. Stay tuned. Bye.